something extraordinary had happened. He met Bhavini. Now, Bhavini is the person who completes him in a way I never thought possible.
I could tell when she was born that she was going to do extraordinary things. And over the years, I've watched her to grow into a remarkable woman. What she really embodies for me is caring, compassionate, and she's deeply committed to the people and the causes that are dear to her. But in all honesty, what has always stood out beyond her material achievements is her warm and generous heart.
Bhavini, you have in Golu the best of us. We are a very twisted family. We are not like the rhythmic, calm rhythm garba. We are more like the chaos of Gulal Jason.
We love you, Bhavini Masi. We're sorry we could not all make it for the wedding, but here I am representing everyone, giving your blessings, giving you love, and let's get you married tomorrow. Yay!
We are still wondering how you managed to convince someone so smart, kind, beautiful, amazing person to marry you. You must have really worked hard. Turned on some kind of charm, because it's definitely not your garba. We saw it yesterday.
So from the first moment I met you, it was so clear to me why Bhavini fell in love with you. Hritik, you are kind, you are thoughtful, and you have a terrific sense of humor. What's more, it's clear that Hritik loves and cherishes Bhavini for everything she is. You're her calm in life's storms. You're her biggest supporter, and now you're her life partner.
God, it looks so good.
How does it look?
It looks beautiful. You look beautiful.
Thank you. Check it out for memory.
I do. It's so nice.
Thank you. You look good too.
I think so. No, you look better.
I know.
We are proud of Golu and proud of you and entire family.
कमरिया करेला पालप लॉलीपॉप लागेलू कमरिया करेला पालप लॉलीपॉप लागेलू.
So I know that career-wise, with his knowledge, inquisitiveness, and dedication, you'll do very big things in life. Bhavini, you'll be happy to know that Golu is great with kids. He has a strong bond with all his little brothers and sisters. Whenever he comes to our house, our kids go running the Golu Bhaiya, and it makes us relax. for the next several days. But no pressure to you both. Whenever time comes, Golu is trained and ready.
I watched you grow up from a little boy to to this amazing man you are today. I couldn't be prouder of the person you've become. You are so amazing. Everything you do is from your heart. You love with your heart. You're a great son, great brother, an amazing mama to Shaurya. And I know you're going to be a great husband.
I have seen Golu grow up from a cute, cheerful teenager to a handsome young man who is very caring and responsible towards his family, yet mischievous at the same time, something we would never want him to change. He is loved by all the family members.
Hritik, Bhavini, at this moment, in the presence of your parents, all the friends and relatives, it is my pleasure to pronounce you husband and wife. Wish you all the best in your life.
Looking at Hritik and Bhavini, I see the two halves have finally become one. Hritik, the guy who could never find his keys, has finally found a key to his heart. Bhavini, you have managed to do the impossible. You've made him the whole. So let's raise our glasses, everyone, to the beautiful couple, Hritik and Bhavini. May our lives be filled with love that makes us whole, the laughter that keeps us young, and the adventures that keep life interesting. Here is to love, to laughter, and to happily ever after. Cheers, everyone.
આ રિસેપ્શનમાં તમારા બધાનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે.
Once again, welcome you all and congratulations to you guys.
So, to Golu and Bhavini, may your love be modern enough to survive the times and old-fashioned enough to last forever. Congratulations to both of you and welcome Bhavini to this amazing family.
Bhavini, welcome to the family. बहुत welcome किया जाएगा. You couldn't have chosen a better looking family.
Bhavini and Hritik, you found something truly special for each other. I encourage you to cherish it, nurture it, and never lose sight of the love and support that has brought you here today. And then as you look around this room, we have all pledged to you to support you in your journey. We are here to not only celebrate you, to be here, but also to be here as guides as well as to help you along the way.
Cheers, and thank you all for being here tonight. And it has been the most amazing weekend it has ever been.